Exercise 3.2, question number 1. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. In this question number 1, 10 students of class 10 took part in a maths quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, then find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So according to this one, some boys are there, some girls are there, and we don't know how many are there. So let the number of boys, I am taking as X. Let the number of girls be Y. Now according to the first one, 10 students, total 10 students are there, right? So it means number of boys plus number of girls is equal to 10 students. So boys we took it as X and girls we took it as Y. So X plus Y equals to 10. This is equation number 1. Now let us read the second condition again. If the number of girls is girls we took with Y, so number of girls is 4 more plus 4 than the number of boys. Boys are X in number, so Y equals to X plus 4. So what I will do here is I will take this Y to the right side and plus 4 to the left side. So X as it is plus Y will become minus Y equals to plus 4 will become minus 4. This is equation number 2. Now let us write equation 1 and 2 together. First one is X plus Y equal to 10. And the second equation is X minus Y equals to minus 4. First equation we need to multiply with the second equation. X coefficient before X nothing is there means 1. Second equation we need to multiply with the first equation. X coefficient before X nothing is there, so 1. If you multiply with 1, nothing will change, so as it is. Okay, here X before that symbol is not there means plus, is also plus. Both are same symbol, so I will do subtraction again. Plus becomes minus, minus become plus, minus become plus. Plus X minus X cancel, Y plus Y, 2Y equals to 10 plus 4, 14. 2Y equals to 14, then what will be the Y value? So take 2 to the right side. Y equals to 14 by 2. 2 1s are 2 7s are. Y equals to 7. Let us substitute this Y value in any one of the equation. So first equation I am taking, that is X plus Y equals to 10. X as it is plus in the place of Y 7 equals to 10. Take plus 7 to the right side. So we will get X is equals to 10 plus 7 will become minus 7. Then X is equals to 3. So X value we got it as 3 and Y value we got it as 7. What we took in the beginning, X and Y means? X means we took it as boys. So number of boys 3 and number of girls 7. Now the same let us do graphically then. So we need to have tables, right? So for the first equation, X, Y, X comma Y. And for the second equation also, X, Y and X comma Y. So let us take the first equation now. The first equation we have is X plus Y equals to 10. X plus Y equals to 10. In the place of X, I am substituting 3. 3 plus Y equals to 10. Take 3 to the right side. So Y equals to 10 minus 3. Y equals to 7. Let us write this in the table. In the place of X, I substituted 3 and Y value I got as 7. So our point will be 3 comma 7. For the same equation, X plus Y equals to 10. Now this time in the place of Y, I am substituting 5 equals to 10. Take plus 5 to the right side, so it will become minus 5. X is equals to 10 minus 5. X is equals to 5. X value we got as 5 and Y value we got as substituted 5 only. So the point will be 5 comma 5. This is for the equation number 1. Now let us find out for the equation number 2 then. What is equation 2? We have x, y equals to x plus 4 otherwise. Otherwise this one you can take or else this one you can take, it's up to you. Y equals to x plus 4. Y equals to x plus 4. In the place of x I am substituting 0 first. Y equals to 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. So x value is 0 and y value we got as 4. Then the point will become 0 comma 4. Next, y equals to x plus 4. Y equals to, in the place of x I am substituting 1 plus 4. Then y equals to 5. So x value I substituted 1 and y value we got as 5. So 1 comma 5. Now with these points, let us draw the graph. First point is 3 comma 7. So this is 3 and this is 7. So this is 3 comma 7. Next one 5 comma 5. So this is going to be 5 comma 5. These 2 points, if we join with the help of a scale, something will get like this. Then keep arrows for that compulsory. 2 points you need to join compulsory with the help of a scale only. Remember this. Next 2 points. 0 comma 4. This is 0 comma 4. And 1 comma 5. Last point is 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5. This is 1 comma 5. These 2 again we need to join with the help of a scale only. Okay, now write the scale, top right side corner. Scale, one is for x-axis and one is for y-axis. So 1 centimeter equals to 1 centimeter equals. Here we are taking 1 unit only, so just 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Moving to the next question. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50 rupees. Whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46 rupees. Then find the cost of 1 pencil and that of 1 pen. So here he is speaking something related to pencils and pens and their costs. So let us take it. Let the cost of 1 pencil, I am taking it as x. The same way, let the cost of 1 pen I am taking as y. Now 1 pencil cost is x, then what about 5 pencils? 5x plus 1 pen is y, then what about 7 pens? 7y. The total cost is 50 rupees. So this is first equation. Now let us move to the second condition, so we will get the second equation also. 7 pencils 7x plus 5 pens 5y equals to 46 rupees. First equation we need to multiply with the second equation x coefficient, that is 7. Second equation we need to multiply with the first equation x coefficient, that is 5. So let us simplify what we'll get then. 5x into 7. 5 7 is 35. So 35x plus 7y into 7. 7 7 is 49. Y equals to 50 into 7. 350. Same with the second equation. 7x into 5. 7 5 is 35. So 35x. 5y into 5. 5 5 is 25y equals to 46. 5 is 5 6 is 30. 0 3 carry. 5 4 is 20. 23. 230. Here 35x is positive. 35x is positive. Both are same symbol. So we will do subtraction. Plus become minus. Plus become minus. Plus become minus. Both cancel. Then 49y minus 25y, just subtract the numbers. 49 minus 25 is 24. Keep y as it is, equals to 350 minus 230, 120. We need to find out the y value, so take 24 to the right side now. So what it will become then? Y equals to 120 divided by 24. 24 ones are 24 fives are. So y value we got it as 5. Now this y value is substitute in any one of the equation. Either before doing multiplication you will substitute, or else after doing multiplication you will substitute. It's up to you. In both the cases you will get the same answer. There is no doubt. Now, after doing multiplication, we got bigger numbers, so bigger calculation. So that's why I am going with before multiplication only. 5x plus 7y equals to 50. 5x plus 7y equals to 50. 5x as it is plus 7 into y value we got it as 5, so substitute 5 equal to 50. 5x plus 7 5s are 35 equals to 50. Take plus 35 to the right side, so we get 5x equals to 50 minus 35. 5x is equals to 50 minus 35, 15. Then take 5 also to the right side, so x is equals to 15 by 5. 5 ones are 5 3s are, so x is equals to 3. In the beginning of the question, what we took x and y means, x means we took it as cost of one pencil, right? So cost of one pencil, we took it as x, so x is 3 rupees. Then cost of one pen, pen we took it as y, so y is 5, so cost of one pen is 5 rupees. Now let us draw the graph for these two equations. What is the first equation? We have 5x plus 7y equal to 50. 5x plus 7y equals to 50. So first, in the place of y, I will substitute 0. 5x plus 7 into 0 equals to 50. So 5x plus 7 into 0, 0 equals to 50. 0 is not necessary, so I am removing it. 5x is equals to 50. Take 5 to the right side, so we will get x is equals to 50 by 5. 5 ones are 5 tens are. So x value is 10. Now let us do the table first for the first equation. X, y, x comma y. Okay, y I took it as 0 and x we got it as 10. So our point will become 10 comma 0. This is the first point, right? Now for the second point then. Why I took here y value as 0 means so that in 5 table 50 will come. So that's why I took like that. Of course you can take anything. There is no problem at all. But if you took some number where the calculation is possible or else very easy, then that is going to be very helpful. Now in the place of x, I will keep 0 then. See what will happen. 5 into 0 plus 7y equals to 50. 0 into anything, 0 plus 7y equals to 50. We can remove that 0, so we will remain with 7y equals to 50. Take 7 to the right side, so we will get y equals to 50 by 7. 50 by 7, 7 sevens are 49, so it will become 7.1. So now what we do, x as 0, so y value we got as 7.1. 0 comma 7.1. Of course this 50 by 7 is not at all exactly 7.1, just we will take approximate value, because on the graph paper it is not at all possible to represent even 2 digits after the decimal, just one only we can able to keep. Okay, first equation completed. Now coming to the second equation, we will take then x, y, x comma y. Let us take the second equation. Second equation is 7x plus 5y. 7x plus 5y equals to 46. 7x plus 5 in the place of y, 0 equals to 46. So we remains with 7x is equals to 46. Take 7 to the right side. So x is equals to 7. If we take another side, it will become division, right? So 46 divided by 7. Then x value will be 6.5. So x value 6.5, y is 0. So the point is 6.5 comma 0. Next, in the place of y, I will substitute 0 now. Oh, sorry, y only I kept 0, right? Okay, done. Correct. Then now, in the place of x, I'll keep 0 now. 7 into 0 plus 5y equals to 46. 7 into 0 is 0, so I'm removing it completely. 5y equals to 46. Take 5 to the right side. So y equals to 46 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 9.2. So y value is 9.2. So y is 9.2 and x is 0. Now in this point will become 0 comma 9.2. What we took x and y means then, x means cost of one pencil, right? Oh no, x and y values already we got, right? Sorry. So now these are the points for graph, right? Okay, let us do the graph now. What is the first point we have? 10 comma 0, and this is 10 comma 0. Then next is 0 comma 7.1, 0 comma 7, just after 7, that's it. This you join with the help of a scale, arrows compulsory. Next, second equation, 6.5 comma 0, in between 6 and 7, 6.5. Then next 0 comma 9.2, 0 comma 9.2, after 9 2 lines, 9.2. So just join these two with the help of a scale only. That's it. Write the scale on x-axis as well as y-axis. 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit, and here also 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Let's move to the bit number 2. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. When we are drawing the graph, totally we will be having 3 possibilities. The first possibility is 2 lines will touch with each other at only 1 point. Second case, the 2 lines, they won't intersect at all. It means they won't touch at all. Parallel lines. Third one is, one line will be like this, and one more equation if we draw also, that line also will be exactly upon this only. So these are the 3 possible cases. First case is intersecting lines, and the second case is parallel lines case, and the third one is coincident. If it is touching at only 1 point, then it will be having one solution. These 2 lines are not at all touching, right? Parallel lines means always they will maintain the same gap, so they won't touch at all. So not touching, 0 solution. Whereas coming to coincident lines, one line is exactly upon the another. It is touching the previous line at infinite positions. So I can say that infinite solutions are there. This is all about 3 lines we have. So now if we do the graph, means we can able to say whether those 2 lines are touching or not, something like this. So now without drawing the graph, how we need to say them? That we will go with the ratios of A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. So let us check it how to solve it then. Let us write the equation which we have. 5x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0. This is first equation, right? So x coefficient is A1. So A1 is 5. Y coefficient is B1. B1 is minus 4. Constant is C1. So C1 equals to 8. First equation if we take, means we will get A1, B1, C1. A1 is x coefficient, B1 y coefficient, C1 constant of the equation 1. The same way, take the second equation now. What is that? 7x plus 6y. 7x plus 6y minus 9 equals to 0. Here, x coefficient of second equation, right? So that's why A2 is 7. And y coefficient B2 is 6. Constant minus 9. C2 is minus 9. Now by using these values, we need to find out the ratios of A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. So let us check it out. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. How we are going to compare these values then? If A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2, then those 2 lines are intersecting lines. Next, if A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 but not equals to C1 by C2, then those 2 lines are parallel lines. Then the third case is if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is also equals to c1 by c2, then those two lines are coincident lines. If a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, these are intersecting lines. a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2, parallel lines. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, coincident lines. So let us find out the ratios now here. a1 by a2, a1 is 5 and a2 is 7, so 5 by 7. b1 by b2, b1 is minus 4 and b2 is 6, minus 4 by 6. Minus 4 by 6. Coming to c1 by c2, c1 is 8, c2 is minus 9, 8 by minus 9. If any simplification is possible, means you can do that simplification. So 5 by 7 not at all possible, 2 2s are 2 3s are 8 by minus 9 is not possible. Now if you observe here, a1 by a2 is 5 by 7 and b1 by b2 is minus 2 by 3. 5 by 7 minus 2 by 3 are not at all equal, right? So we can conclude that a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then those lines are intersecting lines. So first question is intersecting lines. Second question is 9x plus 3y plus 12 equals to 0 and 18x plus 6y plus 24 equals to 0. So we need to compare the ratios of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So let us check it out. a1, x coefficient of the first equation 9 divided by a2, x coefficient of the second equation 18. We can do simplification of this. 9 ones are 9 twos are. So a1 by a2 is 1 by 2. Coming to b1 by b2, y coefficient of the first equation 3 divided by y coefficient of the second equation 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So b1 by b2 is 1 by 2. c1 by c2, constant in the first equation is 12. Constant in the second equation is 24. 12 ones are 12 twos are. So now if you observe these three, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, all are equal. So we can write it as a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. If a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2, then those lines are coincident lines. Sorry. Third question. a1 by a2 value, b1 by b2 value, c1 by c2 value. a1 6 by a2 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. b1 by b2, y coefficient minus 3. Be careful with the symbol. And here y coefficient nothing is there, so 1 minus 1. Minus minus cancel, 3 by 1 is 3. c1 by c2, constant is 10 by constant in second equation is 9. From this we can say clearly a1 by a2, b1 by b2 both are same. a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2, but c1 by c2 is different, right? So not equals to c1 by c2. If a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2, then those lines are parallel lines. Sorry. Coming to the bit number 3. On comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. What exactly this consistent, inconsistent means? Let us check it out. Two lines will touch with each other. Those are called as intersecting lines, right? These two lines are touching with each other at one point, so it will be having one solution. Two are parallel lines. These two lines won't touch with each other at all, so this will be having no solution. And the last case is one line will be there, upon that only second line will be there. So it will be having infinite solutions, right? Consistent means which has a solution. Intersecting lines have a solution, coincident lines have a solution, but parallel lines doesn't have any solution. So intersecting lines as well as coincident lines comes under consistent pair, whereas this parallel lines comes under inconsistent pair, because parallel lines doesn't have any solution. Solution is there or not there, we need to find out. Come on then, let us check one by one question. First one, let us find out first ratios of A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. A1 by A2, x coefficient 3 by 2, y coefficient 2 by minus 3, constant by constant 5 by 7. Now here we can say clearly that 3 by 2 is not at all equals to 2 by minus 3. So that is A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2. When A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2, there is no need of comparing C1 by C2. So A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2 means those are intersecting lines. So intersecting lines means one solution will be there, right? So consistent pair. Next, 2x minus 3y equals to 8 and 4x minus 6y equals to 9. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. 2 by 4. If you do cancellation, 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 1 by 2. B1 by B2, minus 3 by minus 6. Minus 3 by minus 6, minus cancel, 3 ones are 3 twos are, 1 by 2. Constant by constant, 8 by 9. Now here if we observe, 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2, but it is not equals to 8 by 9. So we can say that A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2, but not equals to C1 by C2. This condition is for parallel lines. Parallel lines means no solution. So this is inconsistent pair. Coming to the next one, 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equals to 7, and the second equation is 9x minus 10y equals to 14. So here just p by q form is there, so we need to be little careful. It won't be any difficult, just sometimes you will do some calculation mistakes, so we need to be very careful. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Here A1 is x coefficient 3 by 2 divided by 9. So this 2 will come down. So this will become 3 by 2 9s are 18. Next B1 by B2. This is 5 by 3 divided by, this is minus 10. This 3 will come down, so it will become 5 by 10 3s are 30, minus 30. Now if we compare this to 3 1s are 3 6s are, so it is 1 by 6, 5 1s are 5 6s are, this is minus 1 by 6 or else 1 by minus 6, both are same. I repeat, 1 by minus 6 minus 1 by 6, both are same. Here easily we can say that 1 by 6 and minus 1 by 6 are not at all equal. So I can conclude that A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2. If A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2, then those lines are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means one solution will be there. So I can call this pair as consistent pair. Next, 5x minus 3y equals to 11 minus 10x plus 6y equals to minus 22. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. A1 is 5 and A2 is minus 10. So 5 by minus 10. 5 1s are 5 2s are, so minus 1 by 2. This is minus 3, this is 6. Minus 3 divided by 6, 3 1s are 3 2s are, so minus 1 by 2. constant 11 and minus 22. 11 by minus 22, 11 ones are 11 twos are again minus 1 by 2. So here minus 1 by 2 equals to minus 1 by 2 equals to minus 1 by 2. All three are equal to each other. A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. So these comes under coincident lines. So coincident lines means the solution will be there. So I can say this as consistent pair. Moving to the next question. 4 by 3x. 4 by 3x plus 2y equals to 8, and the second equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 12. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. 4 by 3 by 2. 4 by 3 by 2. This 3 will come down. So we will get 4 by 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So it will be 2 by 3. Next. B1 by B2. 2 by 3. Simplification not possible. C1 by C2. 8 by 12 equals to 8 by 12. 4 2s are 4 3s are. So again 2 by 3 only. 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. In all the cases we got 2 by 3 only. So we can say that A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. If all three are equal to each other, then it comes under coincident lines. Coincident lines means solution will be there. So these are consistent pair. Next, moving to the bit number 4. Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, then obtain the solution graphically. If solution is there means we need to find out through graph. If solution is not there means no worries at all. So first one is x plus y equal to 5, and second equation is 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Okay. Now here before x nothing is there, so 1. Before y nothing is there, 1. So let us compare the ratios now. A1 by A2 equals to 1 by 2. B1 by B2 equals to 1 by 2. C1 by C2 equals to 5 by 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So here we can say that A1 by A2 value, B1 by B2 value as well as C1 by C2 all are equal to each other. So if everything is equal means these are coincident lines. So coincident means solution will be there. So that is consistent pair. So now if it is a consistent pair, then we need to draw the graph, right? So let us take the given first equation. X plus y equal to 5. X plus y equal to 5, and the table will be x, y, x comma y. Okay, first in the place of x I will substitute 0. So the given equation is x plus y equal to 5. In the place of x I am substituting 0 plus y equal to 5. 0 we can remove, so y equal to 5. X is a 0 and y we got as 5. So the point will be 0 comma 5. Next, in the place of y I will keep 0 now for the same equation. X plus y equal to 5. X is as it is plus y is 0 equal to 5. X plus 0 x is equals to 5. X we got as 5 and y we substituted 0. So our point will be 5 comma 0. Next, second equation. What is the second equation given in the question? 2x plus 2y equal to 10. 2x plus 2y equals to 10. Same for this second equation also we need to make one table. X, y, x comma y. First, for that, in the place of x, I will substitute 0. So what is the equation? We have 2x plus 2y equal to 10, right? So 2x plus 2y equal to 10. 2 into in the place of x 0 plus 2y equal to 10. 2 into 0 0 plus 2y equals to 10. We can remove that 0, so 2y equals to 10. Then y value will be 5. So 0 I substituted, y I got 5. Now in the place of y I will keep 0 then. Same equation, 2x plus 2y equals to 10. 2x as it is plus 2 into in the place of y 0 equals to 10. 2x plus 2 into 0 0 equals to 10. So 0 not necessary, 2x is equals to 10. Then what will be the x value? 5. So here x value 5. So the points will be 0 comma 5 and 5 comma 0. Now let us represent these points on the graph. First one is 0 comma 5. This is 0 comma 5. Then second one is 5 comma 0. This is 5 comma 0. Now if we observe that first table and second table clearly 0 comma 5, 0 comma 5, 5 comma 0, 5 comma 0. Both the points are same. So two lines we will get on one upon another only because these two are coincident lines. Arrows compulsory. Now top right side corner, keep the scale on x-axis and y-axis. 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit and 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Moving to the second one. X minus y equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y equals to 16. Because 4x nothing is there, so 1 before y nothing is there, 1. So now comparing the ratios. A1 by A2 equals to, here A1 is 1 and A2 is 3. 1 by 3. Then B1 by B2 equals to, this is minus 1, this is minus 3. Minus 1 divided by minus 3. Then C1 by C2 equals to constant 8, constant 16. 8 divided by 16. 8 ones are 8 twos are nothing but 1 by 2. Now we can observe here 1 by 3, it's minus minus cancel, 1 by 3. Both are equal, but 1 by 2 is not equal. So we can write it as A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 but not equals to C1 by C2. So A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2 comes for parallel lines. Parallel line means is there any solution? Definitely no solution. So no solution means inconsistent pair. For inconsistent there is no need of graph. Moving to the question number 3. 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. A1 by A2 equals to 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2. Then B1 by B2 equals to, here before y nothing is there, so 1 by minus 2. 1 by minus 2. Here only we can conclude 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 both are not at all equal. So we can say that A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2. If A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2, then those comes under intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means one solution will be there. So this comes under again consistent pair. This comes under consistent pair. So now here consistent, right? So we need to draw the graph for this. So let us take the first equation. 2x plus y minus 6. 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. And the second equation is 4x minus 2y. 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Draw the tables for this. X, y, x comma y. X, y, x comma y. First, for the first equation, in the place of x, I am substituting 0. So what is the first equation we have? 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. Now 2 into in the place of x 0 plus y minus 6 equals to 0. 2 into 0 0. So I am leaving that completely. Y minus 6 equals to 0. Take minus 6 to the right side, it will become plus 6. So y equals to 6. Write that 6 here. So our point will be 0 comma 6. Take the same equation again. 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. 2x plus, now in the place of y we are getting 0. 0, minus 6 equals to 0. 2x, 0 is not necessary, so minus 6 is equals to 0. Take minus 6 to the right side, it will become plus 6. 2x is equals to 6. Take 2 also right side, it will become division now. So x is equals to 6 by 2, that is 3. X value 3. So the point will become 3 comma 0. Now let us simplify the second equation and let us find out the points. Okay, what is the second equation we have? 4x minus 2y minus 4. 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. 4 as it is, in the place of x I am keeping 0. Minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. 4 into 0 is 0, so I am leaving it completed, then remains with minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Take minus 4 to the right side, so it will become plus 4. Minus 2y equals to 4, then y value will be minus 2. X is 0, y is minus 2. So the point will become 0 comma minus 2. Take the same equation again. 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Now in the place of y I will substitute 0. So 4x as it is, minus 2 into 0 minus 4 equals to 0. 4x, 0 is not necessary, so minus 4 equals to 0. Take minus 4 to the right side. 4x is equals to 4. Then x value will be 1. Right here 1. So the point will be 1 comma 0. Now let us represent these all points on the graph paper. First one is 0 comma 6. This is 0 comma 6. Next point is 3 comma 0. This is 3 comma 0. Join these two with the help of a scale. Keep arrows. Next, second equation points. 0 comma minus 2. This is 0 comma minus 2. 1 comma 0. This is 1 comma 0. Join these two again with the help of a scale. Keep arrows. So and write it. Scale topmost corner. X-axis, y-axis. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Coming to the question number 4. 2x minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0 and 4x minus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. A1 by A2 equals to, this is 2, this is 4, 2 by 4, which is equals to 1 by 2. Next, comparing B1 by B2. B1 by B2 equals to, this is minus 2, this is minus 4. Minus 2 divided by minus 4. Minus minus cancel. 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 by 2 again. Comparing the constants. C1 by C2 equals to, constant is minus 2 minus 5. Minus 2 divided by minus 5. Minus minus cancel. Then we remains with 2 by 5. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. This is not 1 by 2. So we can conclude this as A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. Then this comes for parallel line condition. Parallel line condition means no solution. So no solution means these are inconsistent pair. So no need to draw the graph. Coming to the question number 5. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters more than its width is 36 meters. Then find the dimensions of the garden. So according to the question, it is a rectangular park and length is there and width is there. So let the length be x. The same way, breadth, width both are same of course. So breadth be y. Now according to the first word, half the perimeter is 36. What is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? That is 2 into L plus B. But he is speaking half of the perimeter, right? So half into half of the perimeter is 36. We can cancel 2, 2. So we remains with L plus B equals to 36. Length we took it as x and breadth we took it as y, right? So this will become finally x plus y equals to 36. This is equation number 1. Coming to the second condition now. Length is 4 meters more. Length is 4 meters more than the breadth. Take B to the left side. So it will become L minus B equals to 4. Length and breadth replacing with x and y. X minus y equals to 4. This is equation number 2. Now let us simplify both the equations. X plus y equals to 36. X plus y equals to 36. Second equation is x minus y equals to 4. Both x are positive, so I am doing subtraction. Plus become minus, minus become plus, plus become minus. Because here x coefficients are 1 only, right? So if you multiply with 1, nothing will change. That's why I am not doing that step. Plus x minus x cancel. Y plus y, 2y equals to 36 minus 4, 32. Take 2 to the right side, so it will be y equals to 32 by 2. 2 ones are 2 16s are. So y value is 16. This substitute in any one of the equation, you will get the x value. So I am taking the first equation, that is x plus y equals to 36. X plus y equals to 36. X plus y value 16 equals to 36. Take 16 to the right side, so x is equals to 36 minus 16, then x is equals to 20. X, y means in the first we took length and breadth, right? So length of the rectangle is 20 and width or else breadth of the rectangle is 16. Then what? 16 chocolates are, biscuits are, 16 centimeters are, 16 meters are, 16 kilometers are, 16 milliliters are. So let's move back to the question again. In the question he is speaking something related to meters, right? So keep that m here. 20 meters is length and 16 meters is breadth of that rectangle. Moving to the next question. Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair formed is intersecting lines, parallel lines, coincident lines. So in short form, if we say, what he is saying in the question is, he gave one equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. Okay. Now, we need to create one more equation so that both the equations should be intersecting. Again, second equation. We need to create one more equation so that the given one and the created one should form parallel, the same with coincident. So, first let us do by intersecting lines. What is the condition for intersecting lines? A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2, correct? So now this is not equal to, right? So this x you multiply with anything, I mean x coefficient you multiply with any number. For example, I am multiplying with 5. This 3y you should not multiply with 5, except 5 you multiply with any other number whatever you want. I am doing with 2. By because here the condition is A1 by A2 is not at all equals to B1 by B2, right? So 5 is not at all equals to 2. Except 5 you can multiply with any number, even 1 also, no problem at all. 2x into 5, 10x plus 3y into 2, 6y minus 8 equals to 0. This is the given equation, this is the created equation. Now if you observe, these two equations will be having intersecting lines. Next, take the same equation again, given one, 2x plus 3y minus 8. Sorry. Now, we are trying to form parallel lines. What is the parallel line condition? A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2, right? So now, this 2x
3y and 8 also we need to multiply. 2x if I am multiplying with 3, 3ay also I need to multiply with 3 only, because a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2, right? So this 8 you need to multiply with any number except 3. 2 I am doing. 2x into 3 6x, 3y into 3 9y, minus 8 to the 16 equals to 0. Now these two equations will be having parallel lines. Take the same equation again, 2x plus 3y minus 8. Minus 8 equals to 0. Now we need to find out coincident, right? So what is the coincident condition? A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. Everything is same now. 2x if you multiply with 2, 3y also you need to multiply with 2, 8 also you need to multiply with 2. 2x into 2 4x plus 3y into 2 6y minus 8 to the 16 equals to 0. Now if you observe, these two equations will be having coincident lines. Moving to the last question in this exercise. Question number 7. Draw the graph of the equations x minus y plus 1 equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. Then determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. Taking the first equation, x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. First, in the place of x, I am substituting 0. 0 minus y plus 1 equals to 0. 0 is not necessary, so I am removing it. Minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. Take plus 1 to the right side. Minus y equals to plus 1 will become minus 1. Minus minus cancel, so y equals to 1. Take the same equation again, x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. X as it is, minus in the place of y 0 plus 1 equals to 0. 0 is not necessary, so x plus 1 equals to 0. Take plus 1 to the right side, it becomes minus 1. So x is equals to minus 1. First equation calculation completed. Now taking the second equation, 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. Let me check again. 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals 0. Now in the place of x, first I am keeping 0. 3 into 0 plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. 3 into 0, 0 plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. 0 is not necessary, so I am removing it. 2y minus 12 equals to 0. Take minus 12 to the right side. 2y equals to 12. Then y value will be 6. Take the same equation again, 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. Now in the place of y we need to keep 0. So 3x as it is plus 2 into 0 minus 12 equals to 0. 3x, 2 into 0 is 0, so I am not writing minus 12 equals to 0. Take minus 12 to the right side. 3x equals to 12. Then x equals to 4. Now for both the equations we got values, right? Let us form the table now. X, Y, X comma Y. X, Y, X comma Y. What are the values we got for the first equation? X is 0, y is 1. So 0 comma 1. Next, x is minus 1, y is 0. Minus 1 comma 0. Coming to the second equation. 0, 6, 4, 0. This will be 0 comma 6 and this will be 4 comma 0. Now let us represent these points on the graph paper. First one is 0 comma 1. So this will be 0 comma 1. Then next one will be minus 1 comma 0. This will be minus 1 comma 0. Then 0 comma 6. Oh, first let us join these two. Okay, something like this it will go. Finished. Next 0 comma 6. This is 0 comma 6 and 4 comma 0. This is 4 comma 0. If we join these two, it comes something like this. Now if we check this line as well as this line and including the x-axis, we got one triangle, right? And for the triangle he is asking what are the points. So let us check those points then. It is touching here, that is 4 comma 0. It is touching here, that is minus 1 comma 0. And it is touching here also, that is 2 comma 3. And he is asking to shade the triangle also. So we can shade this triangle. Finished.